You want to know the best glue for making puppets? Well, stick around in this video to find out. Welcome back, Osborne Creative Studios fans. Matthew Osborne here, and today I'm going to show you on the best glue to use for your puppets. And the favorite brand I like to use is Masters Contact Cement. The reason why I like contact cement, well, some people think that it has a better strong bond for your puppets. And it will stay glued on for your foam pieces for a very long time. Some people may just dab in there and then dab it together. It's like, no, they're doing it wrong. It's supposed to take a brush and then spread it back and forth around it, so you can do like a light coat of it, and then wait until when it's dry completely. I have two methods. I have one method I'm gonna use for this video today. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so anyway, so sometimes it may have like a bit of a strong hold. You may have to use like a socket wrench to get it open because it's a strong adhesive spray. So what you do is just take a little bit of a dab. And I'm just doing this on an old table. I just do like a gently light coat around it. Sometimes you may have to get some again. You gotta be patient with it. And it's best for contact cement is to always have a respirator on hand or great ventilation, because the fumes are toxic and it's not healthy for your lungs. So anyway, you can see how you probably can't see it on camera, but the thickness of the contact cement is thinning out, and you can use a heat gun. You can use a blow dryer to speed up the drying process, or use a heat gun. If you use a heat gun, be sure to not get too close with it, and be sure to read all the guidelines very carefully, or just let it air dry for about 10 minutes or so. Today I'm just gonna let it sit and air dry for like 10 minutes. Alright, so it's pretty dry. All you just gotta do is attach the pieces together like this. And I'm just doing a small fry puppet head since I am doing a puppet later after this tutorial. And that's how you do it. If you stick around for my video, later in the video, I'm going to tell you what best contact glue I like the best. Alright, so now, I'll tell you the best kind of brand glue is, I like contact cement better because it has a better bond, as I mentioned earlier. This is one of the best I can get. My personal favorite is Masters Contact Cement, and don't have in stock today is weldwood contact cement glue that you can get at Menards, Lowe's, any store that you could find it at. This one you could get at a leather store of the company, and you can get them online on Amazon. And stick around in the video. I'm going to tell you the difference why I don't use hot glue for anything structural like that. Alright, now that you've seen the two contacts that I like to use, let me tell you a personal reference why I don't like to use hot glue gun for using foam construction. Tell you that sometimes whenever it gets too hot, it tends to burn your fingers, and it doesn't hold very well for putting the foam pieces together. That's why I just like the contact cement right here, because it has a better bond. And that's all the best glue techniques I wanted to show you guys. And if you're a first-time contact cement user, don't worry. For first-timers, when I did my first time doing it, I just did it outside with great ventilation. Because as I said, the fumes are not healthy and they're toxic. So that's it for now. I'll see you next time.